Kaya niyo ba to? Trying to become debt-free pero ang daming gastos. Ay nako. Sige nga, trabaho muna. Oh wait, content creation pala. Kasi naman, bakit ba ang sarap mag-procrastinate? Sino relate dyan? Buti na lang, side hustle mode activated. Feeling superhero. Pero sa totoo lang, gigil na yan. Para makabayad sa utang. Ginusto ko to, diba? Goal ko, debt-free. At sana may time pa para magpahinga. Pero oo, kailangan to. Debt-free life is the dream. Salamat sa side hustle, pero minsan stressful nga lang. Job hunting 101. Apply, wait, refresh inbox, wala. Hi, buhay IT professional. Pero sige lang, keep it going. Kahit busy, I'm doing what I love. Volleyball, working on my side hustle, hoping that my next career move would help me reach that debt-free life. Which may luck naman. I mean, lahat naman tayo gusto ng financial freedom.